Hi everyone, welcome to Wine and Wellness Wednesdays here at Libra Aesthetics and Wellness. Well, I'm glad you joined me tonight. My name is Lisa Parker. I'm a nurse practitioner here, and tonight my topic for discussion is nutrient injections. We all know that the American diet is heavy in nutrient poor processed foods, refined grains, and added sugars. All of these things are linked to inflammation and chronic disease. Yet, even if you eat a healthy, well-balanced diet, you may still fall short of needed nutrients. And that's a consequence of aging. As we get older, our ability to absorb nutrients from food decreases. Improving your diet is always the first line defense in healthy living, and that's because nutrients are most potent when they come from food. So if you are unable to make dietary changes, or if you've made dietary changes and you're still not getting enough nutrients, or if you just have a genuine deficiency in a particular nutrient, such as vitamin D or B vitamins, I'm happy to tell you that Libra Aesthetics and Wellness has these supplements available and ready for you in intramuscular form. We do source all of our supplements from reputable pharmacies here in Florida. So the first one I'll discuss with you tonight is vitamin B12. Did you know that up to 20% of adults older than 50 have a borderline deficiency of B12? B12 aids in the formation of hemoglobin inside of the red blood cell. So the hemoglobin molecules transports the oxygen from your lungs to the cells in your body, including your muscles and your brain. And if you don't have enough B12, your body kind of struggles to run with the less available oxygen, which accounts for many of the feelings of fatigue, muddled thinking, yellowing of skin, and the general just feeling tired. In some cases, the lack of B12 can even contribute to anemia. And that's where the blood is unable to make enough red blood cells, or if they have blood cells, you have a low hemoglobin concentration. So even before anemia happens though, the lack of B12 can impair your muscle capacity and also your exercise performance. The causes of B12 deficiency varies. It includes aging, taking heartburn medications, eating a diet that doesn't have any animal products, weight loss surgery, or autoimmune diseases that can attack the stomach or the GI tract. Now, your body can't produce B12 on its own, so it's important for you to get it from food or from supplements. The next one I'll talk to you about tonight is going to be vitamin D. Vitamin D is an essential vitamin responsible for numerous body functions, ranging from supporting bone health to regulating your immune system. Unlike all the other vitamins, vitamin D functions as a hormone, which means that it serves as a messenger, controlling and coordinating activities all throughout your body. And vitamin D also helps with the absorption of calcium, which helps with bone mineralization. So if your levels of vitamin D are not sufficient, the calcium is going to be stripped from your bones, and it's going to help maintain the blood calcium levels, and this contributes to the soft and brittle bones. Vitamin D also supports immunity or your immune system by stimulating immune cells such as macrophages and T cells, and they defend the body against harmful pathogens. So several studies have found that there's a correlation between an optimal level of vitamin D and a decreased risk of upper respiratory tract infections, such as the common cold. So vitamin D is also an antioxidant. Adequate levels of vitamin D may help reduce or prevent oxidative damage to your nerve tissue that can lead to cognitive decline. Blood tests can get taken for that as well. So our other supplement we have here is glutathione. Now, glutathione is a master antioxidant in your body. In fact, it's actually used by every cell and tissue in your body. It's comprised largely of 3 amino acids, which is glutamine, glycine, and cysteine. Now, glutathione is also most critical and an integral part of the detoxification system. Not only does it detoxify the liver, but it also helps stimulate your immune system. There are many benefits to increased levels, such as improving psoriasis, or skin condition, reducing damage of fatty liver disease, reducing the level of inflammation throughout your body. Here at Libra, we also, along with our weight loss program, we also provide lipotropic or MIC injections, depending on who you talk to. The lipotropic injections have been used successfully in combination with weight loss programs for over 30 years. And the nutrients in the mix shots are class of agents that play important roles in the body's use of fat. So the compound enhances the liver and the gallbladder's role by decreasing fat deposits, and it kind of speeds up your metabolism of fat and the removal as well. There's 3 ingredients in the lipotropic injection, and that's methionine, and it supports the digestive system by helping to remove heavy metals within the body, and it also helps with breaking down fat deposits, thus preventing the possible buildup of fat in your arteries. The second one is the I, and that's inositol, and that converts fats into other useful forms of energy, and it also assists in establishing healthy cell membranes. The C stands for choline, and that assists in controlling cholesterol levels in the blood and in controlling the weight gain by maintaining healthy cell membranes as well. So this injection actually works best with a modified diet and exercise regimen, and it increases your weight loss by 1 to 2 pounds per week. We also have a host of injectable IV nutrients to support immune health as well. So feel free to book a free consultation at www.libraaestheticsandwellness.com for any of your wellness and aesthetics needs. No problem, you come in, we'll talk to you, and we'll figure out what your game plan is going to be. And we're more than happy to support you on your inner beauty and your outer beauty. So don't forget to like our page and subscribe to our page. And I want to tell you that I really enjoyed our time together tonight, and I look forward to serving you. See you next week.